Welcome to JH. You might have recently encountered online advertisements for the CrazyLeaf Nano Microneedle Patch. These promotions claim the product helps users lose over 30 pounds in a single month without any changes to diet or exercise. While this sounds like a perfect solution, it is important to analyze what is actually happening. This patch is marketed as a high-tech alternative to popular weight loss injections, such as semaglutide. The company claims it uses microneedle technology to deliver GLP-1 mimicking peptides directly through your skin. Furthermore, they state the patch includes skin-firming ingredients like matrixyl 3000 and collagen peptides to help tighten your skin as the weight drops off. However, there is currently no solid scientific evidence that patches can effectively deliver these types of peptides through the skin. There is even less proof that they can cause rapid, significant weight loss without any lifestyle modifications. The product also makes bold claims about being developed by experts and endorsed by the Obesity Society, but this information is inaccurate. The Obesity Society has had no involvement with this product at all. It is crucial to watch out for these tactics, as using a trusted organization's name without permission is a serious concern. They also mention being FDA and TGA approved, hypoallergenic, and clinically tested, yet there is no verification for these claims. The FDA does not approve microneedle weight loss patches, and no official health agency backs this specific product. If you visit their website, you will notice common marketing tactics like countdown timers and limited time deals meant to pressure you into buying immediately. These are classic techniques used to make people act quickly before they can do proper research. Additionally, many of the reviews seem questionable. You will see dramatic before and after photos and exaggerated claims, such as losing over 70 pounds in just a few weeks. Many of these images appear to be reused or AI-generated and do not come from verifiable sources. In the end, it is always best to stay skeptical and perform your own research. If a product truly provided such breakthrough results, you would hear about it from doctors, hospitals, and major news outlets rather than just flashy advertisements.